for the initiative
to encourage indigenous contractors. And I have to confess, I'm one of them. I've benefited a lot from your largesse. The community is also very grateful. Immediately I came and started this work, they gave me massive support. They made sure that those bad boys were not harassing the contractor. They are also very particular about encouraging or discouraging their members from asking for compensation. They gave us very massive support. They said anywhere the road wants to go, they are ready to make sure that the project is gone. Listen. Yes. This road, this particular one from Gbinde to Wergba, that's the logo, is 39 kilometers long. There are 5 major bridges on this road, and there are also some many box culverts and pipe culverts. We envisage that before the rains are over, the work would have gone to a very advanced stage. The idea of the project is to link Guma and the local government areas. That's the third road. I want to remind the last speaker who was asking for opening up this place that the governor, His Excellency, has already given the directive. All the connections are going to be made right to Wergba in local government area with 5 major bridges. And yes, so the whole area is being covered. And I believe that even though the funds are very difficult, but His Excellency is doing his best, and he has promised that the work will go to its logical construction. Thank you very much. To Nzu, to Gbinde, to Pevi, to Tse, to Tumata, 53 kilometers. That has gone a very advanced stage. So the total number of kilometers covered in service is 93 kilometers. And the Excellency has been doing this.
To Wergba, the boundary of Guma Local Government, and then Local Government. This road spans to 39 kilometers. There are 5 major bridges, as we can see here. This is just one of them. There are 5 of them. And then there are box culverts, and then ring and pipe culverts that are going to be constructed on this road. Despite paucity of funds, we have placed this road on our priority list. The total cost of this road is 1.5 billion naira. And by the grace of God, the contractor has been mobilized to site, and he has done well by what I'm seeing here today. And we'll continue to encourage and to support him to ensure that we complete this road on time. I believe that before I leave office, this road will be completed and it will be commissioned. So I flag it up today. Coordination. I flag it up today in the name of the Father,
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.